Today we're going to look at the BMW iX2 xDrive 30. Welcome to Cute Car TV, where we look at all the cool stuff, the fun stuff, the sweet stuff. Okay, you know about it. The BMW iX2, it has a 230 kilowatt motor, 313 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 5.6 seconds, and 180 kilometers top speed. The range of 449 WLTP. All good on paper, but is it worth 300,000 ringgit? To me, I'm not sure about that, because the interior design is the same stuff over and over and over and again. If you look at all the BMW range models, it's just almost the same, except maybe the iX7. Sorry, not iX7, the i7 is slightly more luxurious. But again, they always change the exterior, but the interior is the same thing. BMW should do a refreshing design of the interior, give a big, large sunroof, give people extra stuff. Don't be too kedekut or stingy. Again, for 300,000, people are spending lots of money, so give them something new, something nice to have, not the same design over again. Except I appreciate the outside of the exterior lights at the back, and the front grille and everything looks cool, and this car only looks nice in black and also this purple color silver. But that's about it about BMW. If you're a fanboy, you will love this, but to me, I also like the design, but I think it's not so value for money, and there are so many other things out there you can choose for 300,000 ringgit. On the road, I don't know how it drives, but I'm sure this is a crossover, so I wouldn't expect a supercar kind of feeling. So that's my opinion about it. Thank you for watching.